Good morning class. We will do another exercise of rational numbers, that is exercise 1.3. So the very first question is subtract the first rational number from the second rational number. Now the first question is -3 by 8 and second number is 5 upon -7. So we'll take -5 upon -7 because the sign of minus will always remain in the numerator. So we will take -5 upon 7 at the first place, and then we will subtract -3 upon 8 from it. So now we will take LCM of 7 and 8, that will be 56, and now 56 will be divided with 7, we will get 8, and 8 will be multiplying with 5, we will get -40. So this minus will be plus. Now 56 will be divided with 8, we will get 7, and 7 will be multiplying with 3, that will be 21. Now -40 plus 21, we have one negative, one positive, so we will subtract both the numbers, that will be -19 upon 56. The second question is 4 upon 5 and 2 upon 3. Now again we will take 2 upon 3 at first place and minus 4 upon 5 from it. Now we will take LCM of 5 and 3, that will be 15. Now 15 will be divided with 3, we will get 5, and 5 will be multiplying with 2, we will get 10. And here 15 will be divided by 5, we will get 3, and 3 will be multiplying with 2, we will get 12. Now one positive, one negative will be a subtraction. So we will get -12 plus 10 minus 2 upon 15. So that is the answer. Now the next question is question number 2. Simplify the following is the same. We have to subtract 15 upon 11 we have to subtract 6 upon 7 from 15 upon 11. So student, you try it yourself. Now we will attempt question number 3. Question number 3. The sum of two rational numbers is 5 by 9. If one of the number is 1 upon 3, find the other number. Now according to the question, the sum of two numbers is 5 by 9. One number is given to us which is 1 upon 3, and we have to find the other number. So we can take other number. Suppose we can take other number as x. So x plus 1 by 3 equals to 5 by 9. Now we will put this x on the left hand side and move this one by 3 on the right hand side. That will become minus. So now we will take LCM of 9 and 3. That will be a bigger number, 9. Now on the here we will take 5 and 9 will be divided by 3. We will get 3. So 3 will be multiplying with this one. We will get 3. So 5 minus 3 is 2 upon 9. So now we can check the value of x by putting it in the question. According to the question, 1 plus 3 plus 2 by 9 should be 5 by 9. Now we can check it. We will take LCM of 3 and 9. That will be 9, and 9 will be divided by 3. We will have 3, and 3 will be multiplying with 1. We will have 3 plus here, because these two numbers are same, so this number will remain same, that is 2, and the answer is 5 upon 9 on the left hand side. So we can say that the value of x is correct by putting the value 2 by 9. We will get 5 by 9 as a answer. Now we have question number 6. Question number 6 is the sum of two rational number is minus 8 if one of the number is minus 15 upon 7, find the other. Now again, according to the question, it is given that the sum of two rational number is minus 8. So first number is minus 15 by 7. So we consider another number as x. So minus 15 upon 7 plus x will be minus 8. Now we will put this x on the left hand side and move this 15 upon 7 on the right hand side. By moving this 15 upon 7 on the right hand side, this will become the negative number will become positive. So that will be 15 upon 7. Now if we solve this, we will take LCM of 7 and 1, that is we will take LCM of 7 and 1, that will be 7, and now 7 will be divided with 1, we will get 7, and 7 will be multiplying with 8, we will get 56. Sign will be of minus, plus 7 will be divided with 7, we will get 1, and here this number will remain same. Now 15 should be subtract from 56, so we will get 56 minus 15, it is minus 41 upon 7. So the value of x is minus 14 upon 7, and we can check this by putting this value in our equation, that was minus 15 upon 7 plus minus 41 upon 7, it should be equal to minus 8. Now if we solve this, the LCM of 7 and 7 will be 7, and on the above numbers will remain same because denominators are equal. Now this plus and minus will be minus, and 41 now these two negative integers, we will add them. We will get 5 plus 1, that is 6, and 4 plus 1, that is 5, and we will have a sign of minus. Now this will be 7 1 is 7, 7 8 is 56. So on the left hand side we have minus 8, and as well as on the right hand side. So we can solve these equations by letting the another number as x, and by taking the LCM of those numbers we can solve the equation. Now the next question is question number 7. What should be added to minus 7 upon 8 so as to get 5 by 9. So suppose we add x in minus 7 upon 8 to get 5 by 9, because it is given that if the total of two numbers is 5 by 9, then what we have to if the first number is minus 7 upon 8, what should be the second number? So we let the second number x, and the equation will be minus 7 upon 8 plus x, it is equals to 5 upon 9. So again we will take x on the left hand side and carry this minus 7 upon 8 on the right hand side, that will become positive, plus 7 upon 8. Now we will take LCM of 9 and 7, that will be 72. Now 72 will be divided with 9, we will get 8, and 8 will be multiplying with 5, we will get 40, plus 72 again divided with 8, we will get 9, and 9 will be multiplying with 7, that will be 63. So by taking the LCM we get and solve the equation I had, we get 40 plus 63 upon 72, that is 3. We will add both the number, that will be 3, 6 and 4 will be 10. 103 upon 72. Now we can check it. Minus 7 upon 8 plus 103 upon 72, it should be 5 by 9. Again we will take LCM of these two numbers, that will be 72, because 72 and 8 are coming in the same table, and if the two numbers are coming in the same table, the LCM is always the bigger number. Now 72 will be divided with 8, that will be 9, and 9 will be multiplying with 7, that will be 63, and we will put a sign of minus. Now here 72 will be divided with 72, we will get 1, and 103 will remain same. Now it should be we have one positive number and one negative number, so we will subtract these two numbers, that is 103 minus 63, 40 upon 72. So by cutting this ahead, we will take 8 5s are 40 and 8 9s are 72. So we can see that we got equal number both the side, so the value of x is right. Now question number 10 is, what number should be subtracted from, what number should be subtracted from 5 by 3, from minus 5 by 3 to get 5 upon 6. Now again, suppose the number is x, that should be subtracted from 5 by 3 to get 5 upon 6. Now again we will carry this 5 upon 3 on the right hand side, that will become positive. So we will have 5 upon 3. Now solve this. That will be minus x equals to, the LCM of 6 and 3 will be 6, and here we will have 5 plus 6 will be divided by 3, we will get 2, and 2 will be multiplying with 5, we will get 10. Now the value of x is 15 upon 6. That will be 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15, and this minus will goes here, that will be minus 5 upon 2. Now checking the number, minus 5 upon 3 and minus 5 upon 2, we have to get 5 upon 6. Now solving this, the LCM of 3 and 2 will be 6, and on the above side that will be minus 10, minus minus will be plus, and 6 will be divided with 2, that will be 3, and here we will have plus 15. So plus 15 minus 10 will be 5 upon 6. So equals to right hand side. So that is how we can say that by letting the other number x, we can find the value of other number. Now we have question number 12. What should be added to what should be added to 2 plus 3 plus 3 upon 5 to get minus 2 upon 15. So again we will suppose the number x, that should be added in 2 upon 3 plus 3 upon 5. We should get 2 upon 15. Now we will carry these numbers on the right hand side. Before carrying this number on the right hand side, we can solve it here. We will take LCM of 3 and 5, that will be 15, and again on the above hand side we will get 10 here plus 9. And this will become 19 upon 15 plus x equals to 2 upon 15. Now we will carry this 19 upon 15 on the right hand side. The number will be minus 19 upon 15. So x will be, the LCM of 15 and 15 will be 15, and on the above hand side we have minus 9 minus 2 up with minus 19. So the number will be minus 21 upon 15. By solving this, 3 5s are 15, 3 7s are 21. So the value of x is 7 upon 5. Now we have to check the value of x by putting this here. So we will have 2 upon 3 plus 3 upon 5 plus minus 7 upon 5 equals to minus 2 upon 15. So we will take LCM of these three numbers. The LCM of 3, 5 and 5, it will be 3 ones are 3, 5 and 5, and that will be 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. So 5 and 3, 5 3s are 15. So the LCM of 3, 5 and 5 will be 15. Now again we will divide 15 with 3, that is 5, and multiply 5 with 2, that is 10, plus 5 3s are 15, 3 3s are 9, plus 5 3s are 15, 3 7s are 21. That will be 19 plus minus minus 21 upon 15. Now we have one positive, one negative, so we subtract both the numbers. That will be 21 minus 19, that will be minus 2 upon 15 equals to right hand side. So that is how we solve this question. Now the next question is question number 15. Question number 1 is minus 4 by 13 minus 3 upon 26. So to subtract these two numbers, we can take it minus 4 upon 13, and this minus will be plus, that will be 3 upon 26. Now we will take LCM of 13 and 26, that will be 26, because 26 is the bigger number in these two. Now 26 will be divided by 13, that will be 2, and 2 will be multiplied with 4, that will be 8, plus 26 will be divided with 26, we will get 1, and 1 will be multiplied with 3, we will get 3. Now minus 8 plus 3 is minus 5 upon 26. And the next question is question number 4. X plus 1, x upon 1 plus 15 upon 23 equals to 4. Now again we will take LCM of 23 and 1, that will be 23, and or we can do do it in another way. We will put x on the left hand side and carry this 15 upon 23 on the right hand side. So this will be minus 15 upon 23. So x will be, we will take LCM of 23 and 1, that will be 23, and 1 divided 23 will be divided with 1, we will get 23, and it will multiply with 4, we will get 23 upon 4, sorry, into 4, that is 4 3s are 12, 2, 4 2s are 8, and 1 9. So we have 92 and here we have minus 15. So the value of x will be 92 minus 15, that is 12 minus 5 is 7 and 8 minus 1 is 7. So it will be 77 upon 23. Now we can check it. The value of x is 77 upon 23 plus we have 15 upon 23. Now so the value of x will be 77 upon 23. If we do it in another way, we will solve it. Instead, carry forward carry forward 15 upon 23 to the right hand side. We can solve it here too. We can take LCM of 23 and 1, that is 23, and 23 will be divided by 1. We will get 23x and 15 here. So it will be 4, that is 23x plus 15 equals to 23 into 4. So it will be 23x plus 15. 4 3s are 12 is 2. 1 will be given to 2. 4 2s are 8 and 1 9. 92. So 23x equals to 92 minus 15, that is 12 minus 5 is 7 and 8 minus 1 is 7. So again our answer will be 77 upon 23. So that was our exercise 1.3. Now you practice this exercise at your home. Till then we will do next exercise in the next video. Till then you practice at your home. Wish you very good luck. Thank you.